Here is a very good reason, regardless of the industry or business size, as to why your business needs SEO to take your brand to the next level. Conducting research is evolving into an indispensable asset, is evolving into an indispensable facet of SEO, and the significance of up-to-the-minute research is steadily escalating. Employing SEO strategies to effectively communicate your offerings of attractive deals, innovative products and services, and the significance of reliability of what you provide to customers holds the potential to revolutionize the landscape. When executed skillfully, this approach is bound to exert a favorable influence on the purchasing journey. Brands must secure their visibility in the precise locations where individuals require their presence, paving the way for meaningful connections to be established. Local SEO amplifies this visibility and empowers potential customers to locate the solutions they seek, along with the businesses that furnish them. If you've liked what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more great tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.